This is our range of multi-position AluTruk sack trucks. Multi-position sack trucks are unique in comparison to regular sack trucks because of their multi-position capabilities. These upright sack trucks easily convert into a platform trolley with a press of a lever. Multi-position sack trucks are an ideal moving solution for many industries, including warehouse, logistics, and manufacturing facilities due to their versatility, lightweight design, and robustness. We offer 3 versions of the multi-position sack truck, including 2 and 3 position options. These sack trucks can handle loads of up to 300 kilograms when in an upright position and 500 kilograms when in 4-wheel mode. All of the AluTruk range is manufactured in Wiltshire by our skilled workforce, and these sack trucks come with high-quality components and puncture-proof tyres as standard, making them ideal over any type of terrain. Increase your workforce's productivity by carrying double the volume in half the time, and save space by keeping your AluTruk in upright mode when not in use, taking up much less space than conventional trolleys. Shop the range today at www.billgroup.co.uk or give our friendly sales team a call on 01249 822 222. We look forward to hearing from you.